Hey guys, I got a review for you today. It's called Lucky Dog Hot Sauce, and I'm pretty excited about this stuff because the company itself doesn't usually ship to Canada. So I had to buy it off of a website out of Texas called iburn.com. I already messaged the guy who makes this stuff, and he's the one that recommended me to go to iburn.com to get this. Lucky Dog Hot Sauce. I'll show you here. Pink label. It's extra hot, lightly smoked pepper sauce. Now it has a cool label, like it's a Labrador, I think. It looks like a lab, and it's actually pretty cool. Now here's what's in it. Let me show you. Distilled white vinegar, onions, pears, habanero peppers, garlic, carrot juice, serrano chili peppers, dates, carrots, water, ghost pepper infused sea salt, applewood smoked sea salt, lime juice concentrate. To me that sounds pretty good. What about you guys? I'm gonna try some just to see what it tastes like. Lucky tablespoon. We're gonna test it out just so you guys can see it. It's going on the tablespoon, and the consistency is nice and just nice, not too thin like Tabasco or anything. Thickness, it's pretty good. The smell, it smells smoky. You can definitely smell the smokiness in it. You can smell the peppers. Garlic instantly right away. Now, just wondering here, distilled white vinegar, that you can smell the vinegar. Here I got the bottle tipped. I'm almost pouring it on myself because I wasn't even thinking. So let me put the lid on before I spill it on myself all over my table. Okay. You can definitely smell garlic and the smokiness of it. Very complex smell to it, and it does smells hot. So let's test it out and see what happens. Cheers. You know what? That smells like you just put hot sauce on a fire roasted hot dog when you're camping. That flavor tastes like, yeah, exactly, like you just went camping and you're eating food off of a fire. Now, it says it's any dish you can add it to without overpowering food. But this stuff, it tastes good enough where you'd want to overpower your food because it tastes that good. Now you can taste the garlic off the bat right away, and vinegar, and peppers, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. Lucky Dog, pink label, extra hot, lightly smoked pepper sauce. I'll show you guys that again. Pink label, extra hot. I'll show you the back. Nutritional information for people that care. 50 milligrams of sodium. That's actually really good. So you can put this on anything and you don't have to worry about it because it's pretty good for you. Now for the hot scale, you look at it. It's almost at the top. Now the black label is the hottest. So this is just slightly warmer, or colder, sorry. And yeah, it's actually really good. Nice bottle, nice flavor. I would recommend it to everybody. Like even non-chili heads. It's a little spicy, but you know what? Spicy's always good. You guys have yourselves a good day.